it's so cold, we're freezing, but let's heat up some barbecue burgers. All those Americans barbecuing on 4th of July, I'm gonna also have an Independence Day reindeer burger. Okay, let's check out the ingredients for the reindeer burgers. Dog is approving. Let's start with the meat. Pure reindeer meat. It's a bit low fat, so let's see how that turns out. Instead of some brioche buns or regular buns, we'll do this Finnish rye bread. It's got some cheese. It's called cream cheese, but it's not cream cheese. And then of course we have some additional bonus reindeer hot dogs, unrelated to the burgers, but why not whip them up? And then we'll keep it clean with some blackcurrant honey, jam style, some beer flavored mustard, and of course some badass pickles. So before we get the burgers going, let's pop up these bad ones. Let's go get some salt and pepper. Himalayan salt, citronapipuri. If you don't know what it is, figure it out. We're facing some difficulties here with the Arctic Backyard Barbecue Bonanza. I can't turn these wheels to get these two panels going. This one was kind of stiff also, but I got that cooking. So let's hope that the heat from this first wave, oh yeah, let's see how this bad goes. So maybe we'll get some more heat transitioning, and that will help us get that party going. So far, 2 burners going, 2 hot dogs cooking. Let's wait for the burger plate to heat up, then we're gonna cook up the burgers. Burners are burning, oil is oiled up. I think we're gonna be ready to blast our burgers in a moment, but before we do that, of course, chef's mandatory hot dog taste test. Before we cook the meat, let's prepare our burgers. Step 1, defrost some bread. Time to pop the burgers. Bit of a salt and a little bit of pepper. I even need a little bit more oil for the cooking. Oh, that's looking juicy. Now we need to get our burger game on. No gloves, full dexterity. It's a bit of a blackcurrant honey jam. Frozen pickles. That is good. I feel like I put the cheese on too early, so let's do a quick burger flip and cheese redistribution game. Almost like I've done it before. Okay, the cheese a little bit didn't get saved. It's all good. Now let it marinate. Okay, so we have the bread. We got got the hot dog. Maybe these can also get a little bit of that last heat. Put them in the backside heaters. Oh yes, that's some reindeer burgers cooking right there. Got the hot dogs coming. Let's improve a little bit of this distribution of the marmalade. It's so cold. I want that juicy spread. Okay. Let's maneuver a burger. One steak, boom. Next steak, boom. Mustard, no, mustard. Pickles on. Boom! Independence Day burgers.